Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at aligning shapes to each other in Adobe Photoshop. A word of warning, one of these is a little trickier to do than the other. So let's start with the easy one. I have two shapes on the same layer. So I can simply select over these shapes with the Path Selection tool. And coming up here to the toolbar is an option to align these shapes. Now I can align to selection or I can align to canvas. In either case, you'll see that these align options are available. So if I want to center them on the canvas and center them relative to each other, I'll just select canvas and click here on center. So that's really easy, and it's all done with the Path Selection tool, which is one of the shape tools. But let's switch to this document where things are going to go crazy really fast. I have a rectangle on this layer and an ellipse on this layer. Same Path Selection tool, select over my shapes, and up here on the toolbar you'll see that the align options are not available. Even if I switch from canvas to selection, they're still not available. Okay, thank you Photoshop for making this really easy. Not. Okay, you're going to select it with the Path Selection tool and then you're going to the Move tool. Don't ask me why it works, but it does. So now we've got all the alignment options available to us. We can select by clicking on this three-dot icon here to align to selection or align to canvas. I'm going to select canvas. You'll see that the same options are available. We can get to them here by clicking on them or here in this panel. And now these shapes are aligned relative to the canvas and relative to each other. But because they're on separate layers, we have to use the Move tool to do this. We can't do it with the Path Selection tool. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results, then you'll love my Skillshare content. I'm a Skillshare top teacher. I have hundreds of short courses on Skillshare that you can access along with thousands of other great courses, all for the price of a single subscription. If you're interested, there's a Skillshare coupon for you in the description below to use to sign up. Using this coupon benefits me as a creator, and it helps me continue to make free content available here for you also on YouTube. Thank you for joining me for this video tutorial. On the screen now you'll see a video that I've hand-picked for you. If you enjoyed the video you've just watched, I know that you're going to really enjoy the one I've picked for you to watch next.